And since that day he is my mentor. Okay. So first lesson is, in your life always have one mentor. Okay. He will guide you, he will shout at you, he will give you the best what you can achieve in your life. He can guide you those processes. So one thing always remember guys, keep the mentor. Okay, that's first thing. Second thing is focus. Don't get distracted. Okay, what you are learning at the moment are the most important things. That this will stay with you forever. I am clinical